Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick review of SkinSwap, what it is, how it works, pros and cons, and whether it's worth using for Counter-Strike 2 or Rust skins. SkinSwap is a skin trading marketplace for Counter-Strike 2 and Rust. You can buy, sell, or swap skins using your Steam inventory. When it comes to selling skins, SkinSwap offers instant cash out. You pick skins from your inventory, choose a payout method such as PayPal, crypto, and so on, and your funds arrive quickly. If you want to trade skins, there's a trading bot. The steps are sign up with Steam, provide your trade URL, choose what you're giving and getting, confirm trade via Steam. You can also buy skins directly from SkinSwap's inventory. They accept different payment methods, including cards, PayPal, and cryptocurrency. In terms of legitimacy, Trustpilot reviews are mostly positive. Users report fast payouts and helpful support. Scam Advisor gives SkinSwap a high trust rating and considers it safe for consumers. Some user reviews online still warn about delays or fees, especially for certain types of transactions. There are also some drawbacks. Fees can eat into your returns. You might not get full market value. Some payment options, depending on your country, are limited. Depending on region, the speed or allowed methods might vary. Overall, SkinSwap positions itself as a reliable choice for quickly converting skins to cash or swapping skins easily, especially if you want convenience over maximizing profit margins. So, is SkinSwap worth it? If you want fast, hassle-free skin trades, cash outs, or upgrades for Counter-Strike 2 or Rust, it's definitely a contender. But if you're chasing the very best price or you're in a country with limited payment support, you might want to compare other marketplaces too. If you liked this review, hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tools and marketplace breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.